everyone, welcome back to the Zach Pass, and we are visiting Disney's Typhoon Lagoon late at night for their D23 Kuzcotopia event. We're really excited. I don't know how the audio and video quality is going to be because I'm recording on a GoPro because it's the camera that can get wet, and it's an old Hero 8, so we'll see how this goes, but join us. Welcome to Disney's Typhoon Lagoon. Ooh, phone bags. Thank you so much. Jonah, get in the square. Jonah, get in the square. Get in the square. Yeah! I wanted to see how far you go. I stood there an uncomfortably long amount of time.
I know, someone was behind you trying to get it.
There's the big wave pool. Great. Somewhere. Yep. They have a pumping DJ out there, John. She threw away her lanyard, so she has to hold her phone, but they gave us these free...
I didn't throw it away, I just put it in the bag and didn't realize I had the lanyard.
We got these free phone bags that keep your phone dry. So because we needed our phones to scan our tickets in instead of like magic bands or something, so they provided free waterproof phone cases. They still had to pay for lockers, $10 for small, $15 for big. But
How often do they do the waves?
I don't know that they're doing the waves tonight.
They should, it's a wave probably.
I know. But it gets pretty deep out here. I think it gets about 6.5 feet.
8.
Oh, 8. Yeah, I've never been here. This is our first Disney park ever, or water park ever. Wow. All right. I have submerged my phone. I see bubbles. Is it getting in the bag? I don't think so. You never know with these. Oh, is that the boat? Or is this a warning for waves? Come on now.
Are we gonna die?
I don't know if it's just the boat up there honking as a decoration or if they're actually going to start waves.
How often do they do waves and typhoons?
I don't know. I guess we'll find out here in a minute. First raft ride at Gangplank Falls. Oh, it's closed. So we can't go to the family raft ride. What's next? Oh, look at the Mickey. That's really cool. Never been in here before. Wow! That's a big splash. Awesome. That's my first water slide in years, and I started out with Humunga Cowabunga. I think I did it right. What do you guys think? Whew, that was an adrenaline rush. Now we're doing the storm slides, and then we're gonna go meet back up with Jonna in the lazy river and chill for the rest of the night. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but just did the big boy slides, and now we're just gonna go relax the rest of the night and enjoy ourselves. All right.
Please remain seated and hold on to the handles with both hands. Please remember, you must be at least 4 inches tall to rock. For your safety, please remain seated and hold on to the handles with both hands.
I don't know if you can hear me right now well, but I didn't get to film Crush and Gusher because I didn't get my camera out in time and the screen locked up because it got wet. So, but that was awesome. First time here, that was really cool. So now I'm actually going to go join back up with my wife, and we're going to chill for the rest of Kuzcotopia. I just realized my low light setting was on, so might be low FPS. I just spoke with a very intelligent young man. We rode Crush and Gusher together because I needed another person with me so I could ride the double rider one. And he's a very smart guy, so if you're watching this, shout out to you, man. You're gonna go great places in life. I really think so. You've got a great personality, great intelligence, man. Keep it up. I'm trying to find my wife now. Wave pool is a waving. So now I just gotta see if I can find her. So yeah. Just relaxing in the lazy river with my lady.
Putting L'Oreal Infallible to the test. Supposed to keep the makeup on? I guess we'll find out.
Oh, hi there. There's a tube. It's slowing me down.
Yeah, it's right behind us. What are you doing? Now stop. That hurts me.
Trying to get us ahead of everybody real quick.
Well, there's another backup in front of us.
People getting on and out.
Yeah.
This has been nice. I didn't know I needed a Disney water park in my life, but it's nice.
The only bad thing about it is since we're here so late, we gotta get up so early. We're not gonna sleep.
I'm just glad that we don't have to pray to God to not sunburn me.
That is true.
It's been so nice to just... This is the village landing I was telling you about. This is the closest one to the main entrance. That bridge is the one we walked over whenever we first walked in.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's slower currents here at the stairs. Phew.
I saw Kronk.
You saw Kronk? I saw Kuzco and Yzma.
Oh, the lever. Kronk.
Run, lever! That's great. You probably saw nothing but my hand there, but that's okay.
They're supposed to be dead.
Right. Kuzco's poison. Poison designed specifically to kill Kuzco. Kuzco's poison. I know I didn't quote that properly, but whatever.
I thought you did.
No.
Oh, it's longer.
My spinach puffs. It's cool that we got to see Patrick Warburton in person today. By the way, if you didn't catch that video of day 1 of D23, check it out. It's in the linked video in the description. I think we're going to relax in Lazy River for a bit more. Maybe walk around and show you a few more things, but I think that's probably going to be it. Thanks for hanging out.
I'm afraid.
just saw you like trying to back up and you just kept yourself in the waterfall.
It had me. It wouldn't let me go.
That was great.
It wouldn't let me go. So what's next?
It was a fall of water that was heavy.
Like the lazy river.
I can see your feet.
Did you record it?
I did.
You did?
Yes.
So let me watch it later.
It's the first thing like I filmed as a ride. I also filmed the storm one, which was just a dark tube the entire time. I couldn't see anything.
Was that terrifying?
Yes, because you were going ridiculously fast and it was like flipping you up almost completely sideways through the turns and twists and whatnot. And you had no idea when it was going to end.
That's terrifying.
I couldn't keep my eyes open for it, that's for sure. And I kept trying to like hold my nose and my breath to guess where the bottom of the pool was, and I kept doing it too early because I kept expecting it to end by then, and it didn't.
The long one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right here. The swan slide.
Yep.
I have no view. So right, the swan slide. That's what it is. Well, I mean, it is a storm. Alright, I'll see if anyone wants it.
There's also a bar right here. That's where that kid's dad was.
The bar. And I thought it wasn't that bad.
What's up, man?
Out there. I got knocked the heck over.
Literally picked me up and threw me around. Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
it sucked her under. So it's so good to see you. I appreciate you. Hey, you too. We have been looking all weekend for some nice Dole Whips. We are actually not a fan of the pineapple, believe it or not. Don't judge us in the comments, but she got watermelon and I got orange. Pineapple and I has a special pumpkin spiced flavor going on, which we're also not a fan of pumpkin spice. Guys, I swear we're cultured. I swear we just don't like those things. But
You might be cultured. I'm definitely not.
yeah, she's still out on her chicken nugget and mac and cheese phase, but we'll cross that bridge. But yeah, we got some of this stuff. It's fantastic. Tastes just like a creamsicle. Hers tastes like actual watermelon, not the fake stuff too. So this is, without a doubt, absolutely fantastic. So we're gonna enjoy these and wrap up our night here in Kuzcotopia. That was still cool. We got to see Paging Mr. Tom Morrow. Oh great, googly moogly.
You turned everyone on the Henstead and Kuzco into their.
What a wave. That's a big boy. Fun fact about waves, you can't fight them.
That's why the people out here before the wave crest aren't doing so bad. Because they hit the wave crest so they flow over. But out over here when it's already crested, it's gonna bash over. That's why you.
If you catch it right when it crests, it'll smack you like a brick wall.
That's why normally surfers swim under. Why are we still out here? I don't know.
Because we got 90 more seconds.
We only have, I think, one or two more friends coming out before the.
You're getting swept away already, girl.
Kuzcotopia tonight. Are we having a good time? We are. Okay. This is what I want, though. I want to play a game with this crowd, if it's okay. Only for the truest of true Disney fans. Make some noise. Who's a Disney fan out there?
thing smacks you like a brick wall. That is a big wave. Wow. That is insane. That is a huge wave.
I'm telling you. You understand why it took me out? I feel bad didn't get on video.
Oh, I got it.
You know what I mean? When I went out.
Yeah, I know, but
Knocked myself.
by the way, when that crests, it's as tall as I am.
I'm aware.
Like,
It says the waves are only 6 feet, but maybe that means 6 feet above the level. Not.
that is crazy.
It's your turn to work as a team, an entire team. You're going to step in the center.
Heck yeah. What do you do? What'd you say?
I kind of turn around and start running, so I kind of go with it. Instead of it taking me off my feet while fighting it.
Yeah, that's the way to do it. Just jump under it. That's awesome.
I ran with the wave. I don't do going under.
All right, girl. Let's say we wrap this up. Well, everyone, that's going to do it for our day here at Typhoon Lagoon, Kuzcotopia. This was awesome. You have a good time?
Yes.
Thanks for watching. This has been the Zach Pass, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.